gentlemen, as I said, two personalities who truly personify innovation, doing things many different ways, and never letting anything come or stand in their way. And I think very recently, Sania's proven that. Sania, congratulations
Thank you.
on a major win, 10 titles during the year, which is absolutely fantastic. So
Thank you.
again, our congratulations.
Thank you.
And if you'd just like to take a minute and speak about what it means for you to be here today, it'll be really great for us.
Instagram?
There.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure being here. It's an honor to be standing here with Sunil. I mean, of course, I think it goes without saying, Volini is a brand that anyone would like to be associated to. I've always tried to endorse brands that I can associate with, that I can actually use, and obviously, Volini is something that I have used all my life. I mean, I've had struggled with a lot of injuries, and Volini has always come into my rescue, and for me to relate to something that I endorse is very special. It's an honor for me to be on board, and hopefully we can, hope our relationship goes far and pain-free,
Yes.
and so to say. And I look forward to being part of this family, and thank you very much for having me on board.
Thank you very much. So, yeah, guys, you'll get all the opportunities, yeah? So just to build on this, and you heard Sania talk about that she's excited to be here, excited to be associated with the brand. What we're going to do is to take this to the consumers and really let Sania talk to the consumers about what this innovation is and what this means. We've got a new campaign which is going to be rolling out very soon, and I want to take this opportunity of having everybody here today to actually give you guys the first peek at this campaign. So, enjoy the same. You can see it there.
You can see it
Can you see there? Thank you, everyone. First of all, very, very happy to be a part of Volini family. Really very happy to be in the same place, same dais with Sania. I think she's doing really great for us. Really proud of you, by the way. Generally, you associate with brands, and then you learn about it, and then you go about it, and then you go to press conferences. But Volini is something that I've been using for so many years. So it wasn't very difficult when the opportunity came in. Didn't take much for me to say yes, and I'm really, really happy to be a part of this. Also very happy that we have spray now, because it's a little bit more hectic to use the ointment. So thank you so much for the new spray. Me and my team, not only at Mumbai City FC, but at Bangalore or the national team, we use a lot of Volini. It has been helping us for a lot of years. I just can't wait for the new spray to be used. I'm really, really happy to be part of the family. Thank you so much. And yeah, you're going to see the second version of the ad now, which is not as good as Sania's, but still, yeah.
I think I'll let Sunil come here and speak
No,
further
no,
as well. Guys, could we see the ad, please?
Do not laugh, guys.
Yeah, just leave it. I think they want to see it.
Really? Thank you.
Yeah,
Tell them.
good. Just put it at the back and get
Can
the
we
stools
have the
in after
chairs?
that. Huh?
Give me a chair.
One second. Can I have the chair?
Yeah, sure. Just take it back. Just leave it here, yeah. I think just leave it here.
Thanks.
Yeah, perfect. Thoda udhar kar do, so that it's closer to them. And
Go on.
that's fine.
You want a chair?
They're getting one for me. Thank you.
Yeah. You want us to stand? Come.
Yeah, I think
We'll
this is
just take it.
great. Part यहाँ पीछे ले आओ. Part यहाँ पीछे ले आओ. Where they're sitting now, उनके भी बीच में आ जाएगा.
Okay, we'll go from here, all right?
Yeah, I think
Right to left.
just turn कर दो. Just turn.
Okay,
you.
बाद में again.
All right, guys, the house is open. Anybody wants to ask any questions, please go ahead.
Yeah, the first question is here to both of them. Do you recall any time in any important match where you were struck down by some painful thing and you had to resort to taking this painkiller?
Day before yesterday, when I played the final, just before I played, my back was sore, so For me, I mean, I'd use it all the time because I'm sore a lot.
Thankfully, I can't recollect because I don't want to be injured.
He's very fit.
Yeah, but yeah, generally we use a lot of Volany. I know a lot of players who use it before the game also, like before the warming up. So I mean, it's a part of our game, man. I mean, a lot of them use it, a lot of us use it. I just hope that nobody has to use Volany ever because I just hope nobody gets injured. But whenever you do, Volany is there.
Beep, beep, beep.
Hello. Hello, this was Sania here. Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, hi.
I'd like to know that is this a permanent cure or temporary cure for pain?
Huh?
Is this a permanent cure or temporary cure for pain?
Is it a permanent? Maybe, well, hopefully it's permanent after you use it once. But so my back cured and I won the tournament. So I'm going to say it's permanent for now.
Okay, thank you.
सानिया हियर मेरे पास दोनों के लिए सवाल है। पहले सानिया, आपने मतलब इससे पहले चाइना जाने से पहले आप मुंबई में आए थे, फिर चाइना में भी 3 टूर्नामेंट्स खेले, बाद में सिंगापुर। इतना सारा होने के बाद जस्ट संडे को आपने जीता है और आप यहाँ पे हो अभी। इतनी एनर्जी कहाँ से आती है सानिया मिर्ज़ा?
Well, you have to do what you have to do. जब जीतते रहते हैं तो खुशी होती है and it's always great to come back home, back to India. So I came back last night and when I come back, the energy comes by itself. I don't need to find energy when I come back home. So and you know, when I am associated with a brand like this and to come out and meet you guys, it's always a pleasure.
सुनील,
सानिया
आपके
ही
लिए सवाल है। आप ISL में भी खेल रहे हो और अभी वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफायर्स में तो हालांकि अच्छा नहीं किया है, लेकिन कितना फ़ायदा होता है इस तरह के टूर्नामेंट्स में खेलने का?
ISL में बहुत खुश हूँ। ISL में खेलकर बहुत इंटरेस्ट, बहुत ही ज़्यादा लोग आते हैं मैच देखने के लिए, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग उत्सुक हैं मैच देखने के लिए, बहुत सारे डिफरेंट लोग आते हैं ग्राउंड में एंड इट जस्ट क्रिएट्स द होल बज़ व्हिच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ स्पोर्ट, स्पेशली फुटबॉल. I'm really, really happy and proud to be a part of ISL. Thank you for bringing the fact that हम लोग अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हैं वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफायर्स में. But be patient and we'll try our best in the next game, which is against Guam. We're playing on the 12th in Bangalore. Unlike her, where she won, we just lost 4-1. So I wasn't very happy, but still Volany. Anything for Volany, man.
Sani, this is Rajinder Singh from Makrana magazine. ये according to you and Sunil both, एक खिलाड़ी के लिए कितना एग्रेशन होना चाहिए गेम के अंदर?
कितना क्या?
एग्रेशन.
Aggression?
आजकल एग्रेसिव क्रिकेट खेलते हैं स्पोर्ट्स में ऐसा जैसा.
हमारे पास प्रॉब्लम ये है, हम जब अग्रेसिव होते हैं तो कहते हैं बहुत अग्रेसिव है, अग्रेसिव ना हो तो कहते हैं कि नहीं इसमें तो वो फायर पावर नहीं है, हम इंडियन में फायर पावर नहीं होता. आई मीन आप लोग को डिसाइड करना चाहिए कि क्या चाहिए. विदाउट अग्रेशन आई डोंट थिंक यू कैन सक्सीड एंड बिकम अ चैम्पियन. यू नीड दैट एटीट्यूड, यू नीड दैट aggression and you need that will to want to be a champion, and they all go hand in hand.
Okay, Sunil, you also say.
And while doing so in life, as you get matured, you learn to control your aggression and use it to your advantage. So I think aggression is very, very important. And as we go through our sports, we all understand and learn how to use it to our best. You know, it doesn't mean you jao or you start punching your opponent. It just means that you use it in your own advantage.
Sania, this is a question to you.
Yeah.
Day before yesterday, Ramesh Krishnan has said that the best chance for India to get a medal in Rio is in mixed doubles. What is your take?
I mean, that's the hope, right?
That's what he has said.
Okay. So, I mean, that's great. That's the hope. I mean, we'll do whatever we can to try and win a medal, right? We're going to go there. We're going to try and win a medal. If we win, it'll be a dream come true. If we don't win, life goes on. We don't kill ourselves, but we just, life goes on and we come back and try again. I'm acting? No, yaar. What are you saying? Look how bad my acting is.
The bad one is here.
Okay.
This is a question to Sunil. Yesterday's match, day before yesterday's,
Sir.
was it a mistake to play you on the left or the right instead of?
So the technical thing, I think you should ask the coach. But definitely we got thrashed. I think after 3 wins at home, that was the last thing we wanted or we expected. But it's gone. We just learned from that mistake and we did our best against Delhi now. We're playing them on the 4th away. Just hoping to get back to winning ways as what we did in the last 3 games before the last one.
सानिया, इस साल 2 ग्रैंड स्लैम और 10 टाइटल्स जीते हैं, आपके दिल के करीब कौन सी जीत है?
जी सॉरी, मेरे दिल के करीब कौन सी चीज़ है? I mean, I think the fact that, I mean, Wimbledon was always a dream for me, and I had won all the others except Wimbledon, so it was great to win that in the seniors, and it was a privilege to be a part of an epic match because it was, you know, 3 hours. We were down 2-5 in the third set to win that. I think that's where it kind of all came together again, and that was very special to me. But having said that, you know, it's tough to choose between if you win 2 slams and a, you know, world championship.
सानिया, आप मार्टिना हिंगिस के साथ
I don't know where you are, darling.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
आप मार्टिना हिंगिस के साथ खेल रहे हो और दूसरी मार्टिना यानी कि नवरातिलोवा ने आपकी बहुत तारीफ की है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे उस बारे में?
आई थिंक कि जब कोई दूसरे चैम्पियन या कोई दूसरे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन आपकी तारीफ करते हैं, सो दे you feel it's an extreme honor for me that someone like Martina Navratilova was sitting by the sidelines and she watched the match, and I feel extremely humbled because she told me right after she presented the trophy, and she said that you know, she told me you were seeing the ball like a football and which I really was in the final. So yeah, it was a matter of great honor for me. Yeah.
Sania, Shoaib recently thanked you after hitting his double 100 against England for his performance. Do you also feel that he, you know, you get similar support from him while performing to your optimum level?
Well, let me tell you first, his double 100 had nothing to do with me. It had to do with him. Firstly, and no, I think that of course, I think when your partner supports you, and you know, it's not easy because obviously we are both playing professional sport, and we're both playing sports that are very emotionally charged. So everything that we have is very emotionally charged, whether it's a fight or it's happiness or it's a loss or a victory. So no, it's great. He's been a great support for me, and you know, I mean, it has nothing to do with me. His double 100 is all him. It has nothing to do with me.
So the next time if he gets out on 0, you should
It has
blame
nothing to do with me because he got out on 0 in the next innings. It has nothing to do with me.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, everyone.